All right, this is FPE Automation's Air Saver demo. This chart is showing two different valves, both single solenoid valves. This particular one, we're running this cylinder in full pressure extend, full pressure retract. This valve will run full pressure extend, 20 psi retract, or whatever pressure we adjust it to. We've already done a lot of testing between 20 psi return to 60 psi return, and we've seen an increase in savings or air usage savings of 17% to 57%. Now we've also created a demo to illustrate this. We have an air reservoir here that we've pre-charged to around 85 psi. We have this double acting cylinder, and we have a valve stack of two. This valve will operate this cylinder at full pressure both directions. This valve will operate at full pressure extend, and whatever we regulate it down to for retract. In this case, we have it set at 20 psi. We also have an Omron PLC and touchscreen that's linked with a pressure transducer on our tank. So I'll go ahead and begin the first test. Our tank is now charged up to 85 psi. We're going to operate this cylinder at full pressure both directions first, and we're going to count our cycles between 80 psi and 70 psi. You'll notice this go to green when the cycle count starts. So in this test, you notice we have 37 strokes. So now I'm going to go ahead and recharge our tank. Now I'm going to run this valve, which will be running extending pressure at 80 psi, full pressure, and a retract at 20 psi. And we've got 61 strokes. First test was 37, second test 61. We have an air savings of 64.9%, which is just about what we have tested around 20 psi.